Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to make our first PHP program. As we know, PHP is a server-side programming language, so we need to use it for server-side programming only, and it can be integrated with other languages, other front-end technologies. So here we will be starting with PHP tag first, and then you can give your comments that this is my first PHP program. And once you have given your comments, then you can print a message that this is your my first PHP server side program. Here actually you can see in this statement you have used echo as keyword for printing your statement, as we do in C++, Java. We have got in C we use printf, and in C++ we use cout, and in Java we use system.out.println for printing something. And in PHP we can use print, and even we can use as print as well, but here right now I am using echo command for printing my statement that this is my first program. And I can end my PHP tag, and here this is, you can see this is starting tag and this is ending tag. With this my program is over, and now after this you can run it. So you have got an answer that my first PHP server side program has come up here. Now let us suppose if we extend it to more, that now we can take one variable and then we can print its value. So my program is PHP program to print variables value. So once you have written this, then you can then you can here you can start your variable declaration. And in this case I will take one variable, say num, and I'm initializing this variable with some value, say 10, and then I can print it. So value of the variable is and I'll be printing its value, and again using the echo statement, and then in the echo statement I can use dot operator to concatenate, and then I can print the value of num. And you can again run it by clicking on run button, and then you can see the output, please. So here value of the variable is 10. And now as we have done 2 programs, and after this we can make another one for finding sum of 2 numbers. So in this case again I'll do the same thing, and this time I'll write my PHP program for finding sum of 2 numbers. So I'll write here sum of 2 numbers. So here we can come down in the next line. I can put $a equal to 10. I have declared and initialized that variable a, and then similarly I can declare and initialize another variable, that is b equal to 20. And now when I have done this, I can take another variable, and this variable is s, and I can find out sum of these 2 variables, say a, and then you can put $b. So it will be giving you sum of 2 numbers. And now here you can put sum is here you can put $s. So it will be giving you sum of 2 numbers, and then again you can run it. So here with this you can find out you can make more programs in this similar way, like if you want to find out even numbers, odd number, in the given variable value, and similarly you can make more programs. For right now, thank you for watching this program, please. Thank you.